Yeah, good morning everyone. Thought I'd give you kind of a quick update on my wife's little victory garden. We got some tomatoes on that one. I think those are Romas. I don't really know the difference. All I know is when they turn red, you cut them up, stick them on a sandwich. And then the cherry tomatoes. Got one starting to turn. I'm pretty sure she'll have that eaten before it ever reaches a salad bowl. And some more cherry tomatoes here. Still got some blooms. And then we got these guys here. Those. Now, this tomato plant here, it produced one tomato, and it was on the plant when the plant was purchased. And a friend of mine was telling me that we needed to prune the bottom of it because there's no blooms on it. I think it's just trying to focus on growing. This pepper plant down here, I don't know if you can see them or not. We've got two peppers on it. She's already picked one. And then what's over here? There's some blooms on the top of it. And then I forget what those are. Those may be, I don't remember now what they were. My little stick thingy's not there. And then she had some lettuce planted, but the bunny rabbits got it. And then of course the rest of her flowers and stuff. Everything's got a name. Flower. That's, I think, mint down there. And then she's got these, I think those are mosses or something. Just don't hit them with the weed eater. She is mad. I think that's a sunflower or something. Well, maybe not. I don't know. Whatever they were, some of them been eaten. Anyway, that's the update on her little victory garden. Alright, you guys have a good one. See you on the next video.